back to my channel, and this is another unboxing. This is a swap that I did with a really good person that I have met through Instagram, the Succulent community. I am so happy to have met her. Her name is Lisette, and she also has a YouTube channel about her succulents. But not only that, she also does some fitness videos because I believe she's a personal trainer, if I'm not mistaken, and she's a really sweet person, awesome personality. You guys should totally check her out. I will be putting her information right here, the name of her YouTube and Instagram, and I will also put it in the description box below. So you guys should check her out and let her know that the Succulent Greenhouse sent you over there. So this is a swap that we did, and she is too cute. She put a little note for me. She says, "Emily, enjoy these little pricks and little extras." She's so cute. "Please be careful with your hands. These little guys are cute but dangerous." And then she signed it and she put cute little sticker on there. She's too sweet. So let's see. She packed them up carefully. Look, she's so cute. She decorated too. Isn't that cute? I forget I'm on this side. Okay. It's been raining here non-stop, so as soon as I got this package today, I'm like, I have to do an unboxing, and there's a break on the rain, and we have to go to church in a little bit, so I need to do this quickly. Let's see what this is. I don't know if I'll know the name of this one. Yeah, I don't know the name of this one, but I don't know if she knows either, but it's okay. I don't have it, so that is the best thing. Adding stuff to your collection that you don't have is super awesome. So I'm glad to have that. So cute. And this is, I know who this is. This is Fred. She's so funny. She knows, I told her that that cactus reminded me of like a Fred, so I was gonna name it Fred, and she remembered. She's too sweet. So let's see Fred. Oh, also you'll be able to check her scenery. She has an awesome backyard. You guys should check it out. She's in California. She's got these beautiful mountains in the back. She has done also many unboxings. You guys can check her out. She wrapped these very well. Oh, I feel some rain. I need to hurry up. Here's Fred, guys. I love him. I love that he looks a little blue. It has like a hint of blue, and I'm not sure if you guys can pick that up. And the blooms on this is beautiful. And I like how thick he looks. Just so thick and chunky. I know that she has lots of these, and they're beautiful. I love it, love it, love it. I had requested that, so she was so kind to say, yes, we can swap for that. I like the little heart she put on this one. It's so cool to be able to do a swap. And like she said, you know, to have something from each other's garden growing in your own garden. That's pretty cool. I can't wait to watch Fred grow. I'm going to put him in a small pot though, even though he can get huge. But if he ever gives me offsets, maybe I'll put him in a bigger pot and keep his offset in the small pot. Because I like to have, you know, the plants inside. Oh, so pretty. I don't have this. Thank you. This is like a big version of a jade. I don't even know what this is, but I love it. I love the colors it has. It has that chalky stuff too. For some reason I like that. Oh, that's so exciting. Thank you. Oops, sorry, I hit the camera, guys. Oh, and this. Oh, also been waiting for this. She put a cute little heart. And let's look at these. Oh, it's Christmas here. I guess this is more exciting because it's more personal, you know, it's more, I don't know, friendly. you know the person, so you get more excited. Guys, you're gonna love this. And this is, oh my gosh, she sent me her heart, guys. She gave me her heart. Look at that cute thing. Can you guys see that? So beautiful. This is a prickly pear and it has beautiful flowers, guys. Thank you so much. I'm so excited to add all these beautiful plants that I don't have to my collection. Thank you, Lisette. Guys, please check her out and give her a warm welcome to YouTube and let her know that I sent you guys over there and I just got one of these in my finger. So thank you so much, Lisette. Talk to you on Instagram. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Check her out and God bless and keep watching my videos. Bye, guys.